What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about the Xiaomi's upcoming affordable premium smartphone, which is the Mi 11 Lite, and it's going to be the slimmest and the lightest smartphone in the launch of the 2021. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us and help us reaching out as our 1000 subscriber goal. So now that you have done that, let's get started. Now starting first with the launch date of this phone, the Mi 11X Lite is going to launch in India on 22nd June, and it will be the one of the slimmest smartphone of 2021 with a 6.5 mm of the thickness. Mi 11X will not only be the slimmest one, but it will be also be the lightest one, and from the OnePlus 9R2 in terms of the thickness, it will be the slimmer, and it will also be the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 with the terms of the thickness. The smartphone will weigh around at only 157 grams, which will make it a lightest smartphone of the year, but it's still heavier than the Google Pixel 4a, and it was launched last year. The Mi 11X Lite will be a 4G smartphone, and it will be under 25,000 rupees, which will be replacing the Mi 10i, which is been selling in the country for the 22,000 rupees, and we can expect the price of the smartphone to be the same as the Mi 10i. Now interestingly, as I said, it will be a 4G variant of the phone which the company will be launching in India for the Mi 11 Lite, and we have also confirmed in last week that there was a 5G variant in which was being seen in some kind of a marketing, but instead it is only based on the slimmest and the lightest smartphone of the year. The processor on this phone will be a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, which is same as the Redmi Note 10 series, and it is also being used in the Poco X3, which is now selling for around 15,000 rupees. Now, on the storage side, it will come with an 8 plus 128 gigabytes of an internal storage. And what do you think about this phone? On the display side, it is a 6.5 inch of Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 90 Hz of refresh rate with a peak brightness of up to 800 nits, and it will do support an HDR10 plus content. And now if we talk about the protection on the screen, it will come with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection and a triple camera module on the back with a 64 megapixel as its primary camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera, and a 5 megapixel of macro camera. On the front, it is likely to be seen as 16 megapixel selfie shooter, and on the battery side, it will come with a 4200 milliamp battery, which will support a fast charge of up to 33 watts. So what do you think about this smartphone, and how will it compare when compared to the likes of the iQOO Z3 or the OnePlus Nord CE? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.